Hello friends, today in this video we will write 10 examples of simple present tense. So let's begin. Number 1. I go to school every day. Number 2. He helps his mother. Number 3. She loves painting. Number 4. We celebrate festivals. Number 5. The train arrives on time. Number 6. My father drives a car. Number 7. Birds fly in the sky. Number 8. Ravi goes to school by bus. Number 9. The teacher teaches us English. Number 10. Sita and Geeta read storybooks together. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked my video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to watch more new videos. See you in the next video.